welcome to Curry TV. Today it's going to be a special, I don't know if you have heard this before, this is my version of what we get here and a little bit some from Kerala. I can't forget my homeland. I had to incorporate that in everything that I do. A little bit, sometimes. But today's special hero is Langostino. It's already cooked, frozen, and I'll be using drumstick and jackfruit seed. So these are the three main heroes that we'll be cooking with. I like to introduce you with the rest of the ingredients, but today's curry is going to be Langostino, drumstick, jackfruit seed in coconut milk. Okay, let's take a look at what all the ingredients that we'll be using. For tempering, we'll be using red chilies, curry leaves, mustard, in coconut oil. So to make the paste, I'll be using freshly grated coconut along with garlic, shallots, Thai green chilies, and cumin. To add more flavor to this, we'll be also using tamarind, and tamarind is already in the water, so the juice is already oozing out. We'll be using that to loosen up the gravy. So I'm using a clay pot here. You can definitely use one of the ones that we get here. A stock pot would be great. To this, since the jackfruit seeds are already cooked, I'm just going to get this flavor infused into that. So I'm putting all, this is about a cup, 1 full cup of jackfruit seeds, along with 2 full drumsticks. I'm also cutting up 3 Thai chilies. Let's give it a mix. 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder. Okay, let's cook this covered for 3 to 5 minutes. Alright, let's check on our vegetables. This is about 2 cups of coconut, 3 garlics, 2 shallots, and all of my green chilies. That's about 8 Thai chilies, and cumin. Finely pasted into this consistency. We're going to add this towards the last. Alright, now let me check on this guy. I didn't add any salt yet because I'm going to pour in the tamarind juice first. Just the juice. Check your salt level right now. Let's add some. Langostino is already cooked, so it doesn't require more time. So we're just going to add this once this boils. Adding in fresh curry leaves, just ripping them apart. Give it a stir. So as you can see, it came to a full boil. Let's add our Langostino. This is about 1 pound. It's already cooked. It just doesn't take that much time. Okay. Let's cover and cook for another 3 minutes. Okay, let's check on our Langostino. Oh wow. Okay. It's time to pour in our coconut milk. This is fine paste of coconut, shallots, green chilies, and garlic. Okay, it's coming to boil. I'm going to turn off the heat and let it sit. Onto a different pan, we're going to do tempering. The process is called tempering. And what that basically is, you're just frying your mustard, shallots, and curry leaves and adding it to your curry. Pan is heated. We haven't used any oil whatsoever. This is just for tempering. I put 2 spoonfuls of coconut oil. Getting ready for our mustard. About 1.5 teaspoons. So that's about 3, 4. It's okay, we're going to be throwing this out. We just need the flavor into the curry, along with 3 shallots and a few curry leaves, a few sprigs. Okay. Be very, very careful when you're tempering mustard. It will splatter fast. Okay, let's add in our 3 main guys: curry leaves, red chilies, and shallots. We're looking for a golden brown color. It'll happen fast. The sides are all golden brown. Let's turn off the heat. Okay. Add this. You have it. It's authentic Kerala recipe with the ingredients that we get here in the Northwest in America. So it's Langostino, drumstick, jackfruit seed in coconut milk. I know it's a long name, but trust me, it's worth it. Let's give it a try with a bowl of rice. Really, really hot. So smooth. The texture is so good. If you want to wow somebody, this is the recipe for you. Definitely try it out. Let us know how it came out. Give us your feedback in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you. And stay tuned for more videos on Curry TV. Thank you.